Welcome to WMS Projects, your one-stop shop for manual, automated driveway gates, garden side gates, any metal fabrication project that you might be working on, or any security bollard install, you've come to the right place. Here at WMS Projects, we've always got jobs on the go, whether it's a residential job or a commercial job. We've always got experienced, qualified fitters out getting your pedestrian gate, your driveway gate, whether it be automated gates or even just simple as composite fencing or security bollards. So here's a job we completed a few months ago. Driveway gate, complete with composite side panel, drop bolts and open top infill style of gate. And doesn't it just look beautiful? Isn't this something that you want at the front of your property? Or if you're after a little smaller job, we've got our pedestrian side gates made of aluminium, and you've either got a choice of a composite infill or an aluminium infill, which is warranted for 5 years, but will last much longer. If you'd like to get in touch for a quote, email us today at admin@wmsprojects.co.uk or visit us on Facebook. We'll be happy to help.